Hi everyone, my name is Jeannette and today we'll be working on fun head joint exercises for the flute. The head joint is the absolute best place to start when learning how to make a beautiful sound on the flute. These exercises are designed for beginner flutists and teachers who have already made their first sounds but are looking for a little bit of practice. Grab your head joint and let's get started. Let's begin by playing a few long tones. Take a deep breath in through your mouth and see how long you can hold a note for. Now try again, but this time close your eyes. Focus on the sounds you're making. Do this a few more times with your eyes open and closed until you hear the same great sound each time you repeat it. Once you're happy with your sound, count how long you can hold a note for. Challenge your friends and teacher to see who can hold the longest note. Now let's move to rhythms. Repeat after me. Now it's time to get creative. Play along to the rhythm of your favorite songs. In this exercise, we'll learn all about the support and the breath necessary to play notes on the flute. Did you know that you could play your head joint while lying down? Either sit in a chair or lie on the floor and take some deep breaths. Put your right hand on your abdomen. Take some deep breaths. Feel it rising and falling. Take a deep breath and play. Now go for a higher note. Take an even deeper breath and blow more air into the flute. Blow into the head joint just like you blow out birthday candles with really fast air. Let's try the higher note again. Does your abdomen feel any different when playing higher notes? Try this exercise again a few more times and see if you can feel the difference. In this ear training exercise, we'll start by playing a long tone while using our finger to change the note. Repeat after me. Now I'm going to play a note, and I want you to try to match the note that I'm playing. Now try to match this note. We can make so many different notes using the head joint and our finger. Try to match this pattern of notes. You can try these exercises with your right hand over the head joint. Now try it with your hand off the head joint. You can create your own patterns using your finger, your hand on the head joint, or your hand off the head joint. Or you can get really creative and you can do a combination of all three. See if you can get this pattern. The most important thing to remember when practicing these head joint exercises is to fall in love with the sounds you're making on the head joint. If you make beautiful sounds on the head joint, then you'll be able to make beautiful sounds on the flute.